clean grout naturally with these tricks. The grout between tiles is a white compound that deteriorates over time due to moisture, dust and other substances that accumulate on its surface. Grout has small pores that darken due to the overgrowth of mold, bacteria and other microorganisms that easily grow in a moist environment. These spaces quickly begin looking dirty and also increase your risk of an allergic reaction. These areas must be cleaned regularly using special products to remove these ugly stains. The good news is that there are all natural solutions that don't contain any harsh chemicals that are harmful to the environment or your health. This time we'd like to share a few of the best tricks to clean grout without having to spend a lot of money. Ready? Baking soda. Baking soda is one of the best products for ecologically cleaning the spaces in your home. Baking soda's properties remove stuck-on dirt from tiles and neutralize harmful bacteria. Ingredients: 1/2 cup baking soda, hot water, 1 brush. Directions: combine the baking soda with enough hot water to make a paste and use to clean grout with a brush. Let work for 30 minutes, then wipe clean with a soft cloth. Hydrogen peroxide. The classic wound disinfectant is excellent for eliminating the mold, dust and other grime that accumulates in the spaces between tiles. Ingredients: 1/2 cup hydrogen peroxide, 1 brush. Directions: spray the hydrogen peroxide on the surfaces you want to clean and scrub with a brush to remove grime. Let work for 20 minutes, then rinse with soap and water. White vinegar. White vinegar has so many uses that for years it was the #1 natural cleaner. Its uses around the home are once again beginning to attract attention as an ecological alternative to clean your home. Its antifungal, antibacterial and bleaching properties remove mold from tile and grout. It will also neutralize musty smells and leave behind a fresh, clean scent. Ingredients: 1/2 cup white vinegar, 1/4 cup warm water, 1 spray bottle. Directions: combine the white vinegar and warm water and pour into a spray bottle. Spray the grout and let work for 10 minutes. Scrub with a brush or sponge. If the black stains are really difficult to remove, apply the vinegar straight without diluting. Rinse with warm water and dry with a cloth. Baking soda and liquid soap. The combination of baking soda, liquid soap and white vinegar gives us an effective solution to fight hard to remove stains on grout and tile surfaces. This solution totally eliminates mold and creates a protective barrier against the fungi that grow in moist environments. Ingredients: 1/2 cup baking soda, 1 teaspoon eco-friendly liquid soap, 1/4 cup hydrogen peroxide. 1 brush. Directions. Mix the baking soda, liquid soap and hydrogen peroxide in a bowl. Use a spray bottle to apply to grout and tile surfaces and let work for 10 minutes. Vigorously scrub with a brush before rinsing. Bleach water. Chlorine bleach is one of the best products for cleaning, whitening and disinfecting. While it's more chemically aggressive than the other options listed here, it's one of the best solutions for eliminating mold and grout stains. Ingredients: 1/2 liter warm water, 3 tablespoons bleach, 1 brush. Directions. Dilute the bleach in the warm water and apply to tiles with a sponge or spray bottle. Let work 5 minutes, then scrub with a brush before rinsing. Apple cider vinegar. While apple cider vinegar is used extensively for culinary and medicinal purposes, it also makes an excellent natural cleaning agent. Ingredients: 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 1 brush. Directions. Dilute the vinegar in the water and apply to grout using a brush. Let it work for 5 minutes, then wipe clean with a cloth soaked in warm water. Are you ready to get started? Keep these simple tricks in mind the next time you want to clean grout and tile surfaces.